like blood pressure is so high from that.
This is crazy. Hi vlog. Chiang Mai so far has been my favorite. I feel like I'm gonna say that after we get to each place.
Just very chill.
Very chill.
Very different from Bangkok.
Yeah.
Which was like crazy New York status.
We're feeling very chill.
Our shop.
Good morning from Chiang Mai, Thailand, to our first drag show. Like high camp, theatrical, big costumes, big hair, like everything you want in a drag show. It was there, and it was drama, and it was over the top, and I loved every second of it. So today is a very exciting day because we are taking a Thai cooking class. We're doing our cooking class at Mai Thai Cooking School, or restaurant and cooking school. This one because it's all vegan, or it's all vegetarian, vegan cooking. It's gonna be really cool. It's something I really wanted to do while we were here. We both really wanted to do that while we were here.
Together that we call tom yum. Cover with your hand. How it? So that one easy to make. One. Fast. Like a hat. This is not the hat. Many people say I saw at the market. I thought they sell hat. Yeah, no. You don't buy for that. You buy. Butterfly pea flower, blue color, but becomes sticky. It's done.
Spicy, salty, sweet, sour.
We know now. This is the best Thai sauce. It's done.
Perfect.
sweetheart.
Actually really scared. I have like a weird shirt.
2, 3. Hey vlog, so we just paid for 15 minutes of this fish foot massage.
And it tickles so much.
We literally,
It feels so weird.
it makes me want to cry whenever I put my feet in here.
Are we doing it again? My like blood pressure is so high from that. It's like it literally felt like bungee jumping or like skydiving or something.
Oh,
It's
attacking.
One just jumped for me. They like swarm around your feet.
Yeah, I don't like it. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay.
I'm so scared.
2, 1, go.
1, 2.
Stop! Stop! No, we gotta go home.
15 minutes. We couldn't even do like 10 seconds.
It is 5:45 in the morning. We are about to get ready because we're getting picked up at 6:30 to go to the elephant sanctuary. Just made a breakfast stop on our way to go see. It's early. It's very early.
7:30. We left at 6:30.
Yeah. But we're very excited. I'm like awake now.
I am too, yeah. I wait for the excitement.
Awake with excitement.
Just paid the elephant.
Yeah, we just went down there, bathed them. Chiang Mai complete. What time is it?
4:15 in the morning.